black and ethnic faces in the room. We've got Nigeria over here, a few other people over here, I love it. It's like segregation, I love it. Here and here only, not in the middle section, yeah. I like it. Thank you very much, good night, thank you.
Welcome, Joy, welcome.
Do you know what? This is like a hen night, isn't it? One of my favourite comedians of all time, you might have heard of him, Abraham Lincoln. It's a comic. Why is everyone laughing? He really was, you know. One of my favourite examples of humour, because during the American Civil War, one day 20,000 young men died. But every day, before Congress even started, he had 1 hour of comedic readings. And one of the generals was like, we haven't got time. People are dying. He went, sir, you need this medicine as much as I do.